Right guys, thank you for tuning into today's video. My name is Calvin and I'm down here at Meadowbrook Motors, and today what we're reviewing is the Audi TT. Now this one is the S-Line. It's also the 2-litre turbo engine that produces 200 brake horsepower coupled with the DSG gearbox. Now as you can see, it's in a stunning navy blue, and with it being the S-Line, it does come with quite a few different extras. So as you can probably see from the front, it comes with the Xenon headlights along with the LED DRL running strip. It's got a set of 19-inch alloy wheels on there, and it's also got front and rear parking sensors. Moving over onto the inside, as you can see, it's got the DSG gearbox there. It's got the full leather S-Line interior, and it's also got that flat bottom steering wheel in there as well with the flappy paddles on the back. Now the steering wheel is multifunctional, and it's also got the adjustable spoiler along the back. Now the TT looks absolutely stunning inside and out, covering only 55,000 miles and returning around 36 miles to the gallon. It's definitely not the most thirsty car on the road. So it's just been reduced down to £11,000. That works out at around £220 per month, and that's with a 10% deposit, around a 4-year finance agreement. But if you would like a personalised quote, guys, just give us a call on 01143 272627 or drop us a message on our Facebook or YouTube channel, and we'll get a personalised quote sent straight across to you. If you would like any more information on this particular vehicle, guys, by all means, I will put the link in the description for you so you can see it on our website. But apart from that, guys, thank you very much for watching this short video.